In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a card to a Trello board and create a new checklist on that card. To get started, head over to trello.com. If you already have an account, you'll want to click on the login button. Trello provides a couple of convenient options for logging in. You can use your email address or, if you prefer, your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Trello homepage. Your next stop is the board section. This can be accessed from the navigation pane. Under the boards section, you'll see the Your Workspaces category, where all your active boards are listed. Browse through your workspaces and click on the specific board you wish to work with. This will open up that specific board where you'll be able to manage lists, cards, and more. With your selected board open, let's add a new card. Look for the Add a Card button, which is typically found at the bottom of any list on your board. Click this button. You'll see a field where you can enter the name of your new card. Naming your card clearly is important, as it helps in keeping everything organized and easy to find later. Type in your card's name and hit the Enter key, or click the Add Card button to create it. Now we'll access the card to add a checklist. Click on the card you just created. This will bring up a detailed view of the card where you can include descriptions, comments, attachments, and more. For our purpose today, locate the Add section and select Checklist. This feature lets you break down a task into multiple subtasks, making it easier to track progress on a project step by step. Once you click on Checklist, you'll be prompted to give it a name. Naming your checklist is again crucial, as it helps in easily identifying what the checklist pertains to at a glance. Enter a fitting title for your checklist and click Add to integrate it into your card. Now let's populate the checklist with tasks. With your checklist ready, you can add individual tasks or items. Click inside the checklist's input field and type in the task's name. When you're done typing a task, click Add to insert it into your checklist. Continue adding more tasks in the same manner, ensuring each is clear and specific. This allows you to maintain an organized way of dealing with tasks. After adding all the necessary checklist items, if needed, you can revisit the card to check off tasks as you complete them. Finally, to exit, you'll need to close the menu to return to the broader view of your Trello board. Simply click on the Close button and you're all set. And there you have it, you've successfully added a card and organized your tasks using checklists on Trello. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.